Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my podcast. Today we are going to talk about a very common word in English. This word is small, simple, but very powerful. The word is get. Yes, get is one of the most used verbs in English. Native speakers use it every day. But many English learners feel confused because get has many meanings. Don't worry. In this episode, I will explain the most common uses of get in a very easy way, with clear examples. Let's start. The first meaning of get is receive. When you receive something, you can use get. For example, I got a gift from my friend. She got an email from her teacher. We got good news today. He got a letter yesterday. Here, get means receive. Instead of saying, I received a message, we can say, I got a message. This is more natural in daily conversation. Remember, get equals receive something. Sometimes get means buy. For example, I got a new phone yesterday. She got a beautiful dress. We need to get some milk. He got a new car. Here, get means buy. Instead of saying, I bought a new bag, you can say, I got a new bag. Very simple. Now, this is a very important use. Get can mean become. We often use it with adjectives. Structure, get plus adjective. For example, I get tired after work. She got angry. It is getting cold. Don't get nervous. He got sick last week. Here, get means become. Get tired equals become tired. Get angry equals become angry. Get better equals become better. This is very common in spoken English. For example, instead of saying, I became happy, we usually say, I got happy. We can also use get to mean arrive. For example, what time did you get home? I got to school at 8 a.m. She got to the party late. We got there early. Notice, we say get home, no to, but get to school, get to work, get to the airport. So remember, get plus to plus place, but get home, no to. Sometimes get means go and bring something. For example, can you get me a glass of water? I will get my phone from the car. She got her bag from the room. He got a chair for his grandmother. Here, get means go somewhere and bring something back. Now, let's look at some very common expressions with get. Get up means wake up and leave the bed. I get up at 7 every day. Get dressed means put on clothes. She got dressed quickly. Get married. They got married last year. Get ready. I need to get ready for work. Get lost. We got lost in the city. Get tired. I get tired after teaching. These expressions are very common. You will hear them everywhere. Now, let's talk about grammar. In present, we say get. In past simple, we say got. In past participle, gotten in American English or got in British English. For example, I get many emails. I got many emails yesterday. I have gotten better at English. I have got better at English. Very important, have got can also mean have. For example, I have got a car, same as I have a car. So, today we learned that get can mean receive, buy, become, arrive, bring, and it is used in many expressions. Get is simple but very powerful. My advice is listen carefully to native speakers and notice how they use get. Try to use it in your daily speaking. The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to share it and practice the examples out loud. See you in the next episode. Bye!